Hello, for those that want to promote their brands, for those that want to make sell on their business, you want to promote your business, this video is for you. And also is for everybody because this tool we are about to show you will also be of benefit to everybody. It does image to video generation, also text to video generation, even text to image generation. So it will be of beneficial to you too. But for the sake of our tutorial, we want to make this tutorial for those who want to promote their business, to see how they can use camera shots, just 2 shots, promote their business. Alright, this is Julijetek tutorial. Please subscribe to our channel if you are watching this video on YouTube. Subscribe to our channel and also like our video. Comment on a comment pane if you love this video or if this video is helpful to you. Please put a comment there. On the video description, there is a WhatsApp number there. Please, if you are interested to join our class to learn video editing, AI, using AI tools in this AI world in a professional way to create videos, join our class. We provide training in that class. So join our class. We will see you in the other end. All right, let's get started. On our screen, we have ChatGPT here on our screen. What you need to do, please sit down and be comfortable, listen to this message and watch this video to the end. Don't rush, follow through on this walkthrough so that you understand everything we want to show you. Now, you will just want to come here on your ChatGPT, this plus sign that we have here, this plus sign. Now, the first thing you want to do, take your phone, take a product of your phone, anything that you are selling, is that either cream, home device, anything that you sell. Take a camera shot on it, snap it very well, just snap it very well. Maybe you can snap it 2 shots or 3 shots because you are going to use those shots and make a video. And try and make sure that the background is well arranged. Now, after you take the picture, let's say the picture is in your gallery, you need to come to this plus sign. If you click it, you will see a file here. And when you see the file, you click the file, then the file will take you to your gallery. Now, pick the picture that you want to use for your video, the picture for your product. After you picked, then try to type in something inside this try to type in something inside this box here. If you type in something, look at what we type in and send to ChatGPT. We say, ChatGPT, I want to sell this product. Please give me beautiful advert and stunning motion video prompt, or this motion video prompt. That's 5 seconds on this product. We want to make video on this product. This is what we already snap, flower buffets. All right, after we send it, look at what ChatGPT sent to us. Look at it here. All this, you can read it through. And then this is the main prompt that we are looking for. This is it. Now we want to copy this prompt. First, we want to copy it. And then before we head over to the site or the tool that we want to show you, AI tool. Now let's go. You can open your Chrome. This is our Chrome. Here on our Chrome, you can type in Adobe Firefly AI. That is a tool that we're about to show you. Don't rush. Let's just take this video slowly and watch everything, because this Adobe Firefly is not mainly for generating video. It's meant to use it for other things. But let's see how we can use it to generate video. You want to click on the first link. Make sure you look at their logo very well before you click on the first link. So after we click on the first link, you just have to cancel this. Cancel it. This is a overview. The first thing that you need to do here, you just have to come this 3 dot button here, upside here. Then click it, change the phone size to desktop mode. When you change it to desktop mode, this is how it's going to show you. Now, where can we generate our video? This is a desktop site. Now, you have to come inside here. This is up here. This you will see go to Firefly. That is where you click. So when you click, this is the overview the Adobe Firefly AI is going to show you. Now we come here directly, you will see image and we see place to put our prompt. And before that, you'll see the tool that this Adobe Firefly has. The first tool is create an image, make image using text, also edit that image. We also have the video generation and also editing that video. Of course, on our tutorial we want to focus on how to use those clips, those pictures that we take, to use it to make advert video. Now this is what we are going to do. Then you can change this to video mode, this place here. Change it to video mode, then paste your prompts inside there, and this is where we want to click to generate our prompts. We click on it. It will take us to another overview. Now this is another overview. You can go ahead and try, then cancel it later. Look at the cancel later. You can zoom in to see the main overview of this Firefly Adobe AI. Now look at all these places where you want to set up your video that you want to create, and this is where our prompt is already in. First of all, we want to change this fire video, this one. So this is a problem that we have because this is a desktop site. That is why this fire video is not steady. We try to click on it and it's not okay, that's steady. But in case it is not steady, you click an O and then you see what you want to see. So we click on video or VEO 3.1. That is the model we want to use to create our video. All right. Then we on the audio. This is the audio. We on the audio. And then we put in our first picture. You can put in your first picture. You can choose this one and put it inside there. You will reduce it. Okay. Our picture is already in. We on our audio. This is where we can on our audio. We on it and the on button will be highlighted. The video offer 8 seconds. 8 seconds video. Now we come to our prompt sites and then we want to generate. You can click on generate. This is it. Okay, our video is generating. Please look at what it says. Keep this browser tab open. So do not go on the site when the video is generating. It will cancel everything that you already do. Okay, this is our video. It is ready. Let's play it and see. Oh, look at it. Do you love it? That is our video. Do you love it? Wow. Now you need to download it. This is where you can see the download button and download the video. Wait for it. Okay, that is the download. Now we want to, since this video is 5 seconds, it's just 5 seconds, we want to put in another picture here. We can remove the first one and put in another one. Let's zoom in. Okay, remove this one, delete it out, then put in another one that you snap. Okay, this is another picture. You can set it very well. Then yes, we keep it that way. Now we want to generate again, and I want to show you something. Look at this right up here. This right up is not clear. If you don't like it, you can clean it out using watermark. If you don't like watermark remover, if you don't like it, you can remove it from your prompt. I think it's inside our prompt, that is why. Let me show you. It is inside our prompt. Look at where it says this place. Can check that place very well, and end with a text, end with a clean text overlay. Say timeless elegance in a modern luxurious front. All right, in a modern luxurious front. So we can edit this. We want to edit, remove that text. We can remove it so that our video will be clean without nothing. Because if you try to put, even though you try to put in your own text, it may not come out very well. Yes, it will not come out very well. So just clean the text off. When we want to do or edit it, you can add in your text. Now you can remove all this. Okay. So let's generate it like this. Click on generate. Okay, please let's give it a second, and then our video is generating. All right, this is our video. Let's play it and see. Oh, this is beautiful. Let's play it again. Look at. You can change your prompt anyhow you want to change your. Is it a moving camera movement? You can put it, and this AI will give you what you want. And also, because this is desktop side. This is desktop side. It may be a little bit difficult for you to do these things, but you have to follow it through. I forgot to let you know something. First of all, let's download our video. We download again. I forgot to tell you something, that you need to log in first before you come to this site, or before even you even put in your pictures or your prompt here, that you need to log in. Look at where you can log in here. Look at it here on the top right, the corner. So you can log in here. I already log in my own. Just is very simple to log in. Just click there, find it here anywhere there, and log in your Gmail account before you go inside. Now we finish generating. We finish generating 2 videos. Do you see how Adobe Firefly AI turn in our image that we already take? It make the background to be professional. It zoom in and it adds some features to it, but there is no sound. Don't worry about that. We are going to show you how you can add sound to it. We will have used this video editing, trimming, arranging, and generating. We'll have used this, but we don't want to use it because it will be very complicated and difficult. For you to save your time, you can, if you watch this video, you can also explore on the charts or on these sites to see if you can use these video editing tools. Now, you want to use CapCut, see how you can arrange that 2 video that you just generated. Since we generated 2 video, it will make it 10-second video. Now let's see. Let's go on to our CapCut. Yes, this is our CapCut. We open our CapCut and we want to put in that 2 video we just generate. Okay, this is the first one we put in, and we add the second one we put in too. All right, this is the 2 video that we just generated. As you can see, let's play it and see. Do you observe something? See the second one. This second one, if you remember, we removed the text. That is why you are not seeing any text. But this first one, there was text in it. If you want, you can cut this from here out. Can cut from here out so that there will be no text in it. Now we want to add in a suitable sound so that this video will be very nice. This is a short video, just 10 seconds. Okay, just 10 seconds or so. Now let's go to audio part. Okay, please continue to subscribe to our channel. We will also bring to you another powerful tool in the future. You can say here romantic soft background sound. You can send. Let's see what CapCut will give us. You can select and hear them. Of course, this is suitable too. We can put in this. Sound because it's okay. See. Do you see how it is? Just use your CapCut, either your CapCut or your VN. You can use it to make video like this. You have your sale and your brand will grow. You can cut out this part, split it and cut it out. For those that know how to edit, you can also fade out. Look at it. Now, do you see how this flower, look at the background, very cinematic, very beautiful. From this, look at our image that we already used to start. From this, you can believe it, from this image that we already see here, look at how it is. We take a picture and then look at what it gave us. Look at the background, very cinematic, and look at those things that the fire, look at those shiny things. If you check on our prompt, you see that those shiny thing was inside our prompts. That is exactly what we want you to know. We bring to you AI that is going to help you, not just for you to use it to create random videos, but for you to use it to make videos that is going to be of beneficial to you. That is why we bring this tutorial to you. So make sure you practice this tutorial. Please practice this so that you will know how to generate videos like this that will grow your business and also help you to make sale. Then you can go ahead and export it. All right, this is where you can export it. You can see here. Yes, you can go ahead and export it. Then that is it. So this is our tutorial. Thank you so much for being with us. Please continue to learn, continue to practice so that you can improve in your creative journey. We are going to bring to you next time another powerful tool. Stay tuned and please subscribe to our channel. We see you some other time. Bye.